In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset Roku. Step 1. Factory reset via Settings menu. Press the Home button on your Roku remote. Navigate to Settings, System and Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Choose Factory Reset Everything. Enter the code displayed on the screen to confirm. The Roku will reboot and reset to factory defaults. Step 2. Factory reset using physical reset button. Locate the physical reset button on your Roku device. Maybe a pinhole. With the Roku powered on, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 20 seconds until the indicator light blinks or the screen goes blank. Release the button and wait for the device to restart and reset. After reset, you will need to set up your Roku device again. Step 3. After reset, all channels, accounts and settings will be erased. You will need to sign back into your Roku account and reinstall apps as needed. Now I have some tips for you. Factory reset is useful when troubleshooting persistent issues or preparing the device for a new user. Ensure you have your Roku account login credentials before resetting. If your remote isn't working, the physical reset button is an alternative method. And that is how you factory reset your Roku device. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.